What's up, food sluts? Welcome back.
How you doing?
So today we're making some of your favorite munchie snacks.
Brownies, cookies, pizza, mac and cheese. We're making a giant cookie ice cream sandwich. Huge.
The ultimate monster
Bigger than
cookie
your face.
ice cream sandwich. 8 inches.
And we're making a PIZZA-DILLA.
You just need 2 things and you can make it, and it's
Spectacular.
It's spectacular.
I saw the bottom. We're getting there.
This is super cool.
What? Ash! Look at how fucking cute this is! It's got an area for my blood. Oh.
Professor X can move objects with his mind. Why can't he make his legs move? Ultimate munchie is what I like to call a PIZZA-DILLA. All you need is a frozen pizza or make your own pizza and mac and cheese. Okay, so you're going to take your pizza and we're going to put it on our cutting board, and we're just going to put our mac and cheese on half of our pizza template.
Oh my god! It's
Okay,
like
it's not all of it's not gonna fit, so you get a snack on the side.
What have I done?
Oh my gosh, yes. And we use the deluxe Velveeta mac and cheese. And you can spice it up however you want. We added sharp cheddar and white cheddar to the mac and cheese. And then after you have it in your little taco, you're going to put it in a skillet and heat it up. And you're going to get all the cheese all melty and good in there. And then you cut it like a quesadilla. Okay, so after you've heated up your PIZZA-DILLA in your skillet for a few minutes, you're going to gently take it out. And then you cut it. Generally, this is a 2-person meal. So we'll just cut it in half.
Oh my god. Am I just supposed to bite this?
Yeah, and then you just eat it. Get your pizza, you got your mac and cheese.
Oh my god.
You can throw extra goodies in there.
Oh my god. Here we go. Why does your nose run, but your feet smell? We went with a basic brownie mix too. We just did a Ghirardelli.
Yeah, you said it.
Ghirardelli. I just hope I don't say it wrong. Okay.
Ghirardelli double
And it's already
chocolate.
got chocolate chips in the
It's
mix.
got it. And we just followed the instructions that were on the box of whatever brownie batter
a cup
you
of
make.
milk, an egg, and a 1/3 cup of oil. And we used special.
Okay, so to make the brownie batter, we're just going to follow the instructions that are on the box. We're not making our own. That's too much work.
We're already doing a monster cookie batter.
Yeah. Get a arm workout, because we know you're not exercising. You're just watching videos of people exercise. You're not actually doing it yourself. You're going to need 2 8-inch cake pans, circle cake pans. center of our Oreo, or of our No
Monster.
Oreo. Of our monster cookie sandwich. You're gonna get the same size pan as you're cooking your cookies in, and you put a piece of parchment paper, and we used an entire ice cream normal size.
It was like a gallon, right? Or
half gallon.
half gallon. It was
Half
a half
gallon. It filled it completely up.
Form it.
And we popped it back in the freezer, and it formed our middle sandwich cookie. So now I'm gonna go put this back in the freezer. We're gonna do Hershey's Cookies and Cream Bar and the Reese's Minis.
This is gonna be so
It's
good.
gonna be so good. Ooh, excuse me.
We're starting early, baby.
We're gonna set those aside and make our cookie dough.
Bet.
If a tomato is a fruit, then isn't ketchup a smoothie? Then we made our cookie batter. We did a homemade cookie recipe.
Special special. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous, darling.
Yeah. Eggs.
Eggs, 2
Eggs
eggs.
and vanilla. Ooh, it smells okay.
Ooh, it does smell good. Well, it's basically
Okay.
all sugar, so.
Yeah, you know, I better. Half. One. 1.5. Hell yeah!
Am I supposed to be mixing it?
I think that's good. Yep. Okay, you want to add in the goodies?
Okay, we are doing chocolate chips, M&M's, and 100 g bar, which is arguably the best candy bar.
I mean, yeah, it's got everything you could wish for.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. BRB.
Start it at half an hour. Doink it, see if it comes out clean.
Make sure it's not jiggling, make sure the batters are okay.
Yeah, and then just kind of do it for a couple minutes until it gets clean coming out.
Make sure they are completely
Cool. And make sure you either put parchment paper or you spray your pans really
good
well
so they don't stick.
so it doesn't stick. We didn't do that. We didn't know.
Whoever made the first clock, how did they know what time to turn it to? We out here.
Okay, so we're gonna assemble it now. Maybe make pretty side up.
Yeah, I was thinking the same.
Ooh, that still looks good though.
Okay.
I'm thinking I was just like kind of like chopping it over and then, oh, okay.
No? Yeah? Is that okay?
No, that's fine.
Sorry. Oh my god, y'all, look at this. Ooh, it's beautiful!
Oh my gosh.
Y'all.
That is so, it's moist. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, look at this thing!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Okay. Oh.
That, you made it look a lot easier than I thought it was going to be.
It's a little bit soft. The ice cream is just a little bit soft, so it's okay.
Oh man.
Oh shit.